Now, I've looked at some of my videos and I see that I usually start by showing you bottles of water or bits and bobs. I don't know what's going on there. But anyway. Where are we today, right? It's taken me ages. I think I'm now resigned to the fact that it's going to take a long time. Now, this is a repair for the rear wheel arch section, which I made last week again. Today it's taken me 2 or 3 hours to bash it into a better shape. If we go back a bit, I mean, that's not great, but let's go back further. It's quite a complex shape, you know, there's curves on it and different bits and bobs, so I'm quite proud of myself now. Something that I noticed when we cut this old panel out, check this out. We thought there was, I mean, that's what 2 or 3 millimetres of body filler. We thought there'd been a repair done in the van. But when I put my hand down the inside of it, that came out the factory, look at that. So I don't know if this was maybe built on a Friday or something, but Mercedes was certainly rattling on the body filler. It's way more than what I've put onto this middle patch. That's the one we were working on yesterday. Because of how wet it is in Scotland, this is probably another top tip if you don't know anything about this stuff. Because of how wet it was in Scotland, or is in Scotland, I'm covering everything with a layer of fiberglass first, right? So this section here, there's my finger, say a little, hello finger, hello Simba. This section here is a layer of fiberglass, and that's into the second layer of body filler. That's nearly done, that bit's nearly done. Today, apart from shaping that panel that we're looking at, let's have a better look at it. So that looks mental, right? That's the bit that we're going to see. I'm thinking of cutting a piece of steel plate. Can I hold it and do this? The same thickness as that, and just tacking it on the front of it. What about that? There's that finger back again. That's quite clever, Zambo. Yep, I think that's quite clever. Now, when I started in this repair, there was rust here, right? And went up onto this section. Look at the amount of work. Can I get my light in there? Look at the amount of work we've had to do for that repair. So that's 2 sections inside the, I don't know what's that, inner wheel well or the back wheel well. Then this thing here that you just seen, and this is another panel. This is the one that I welded on this morning. Now, I tried doing the welding myself. It's actually not too bad. Belly's is better, you know, but because we can't come down at the same time, and I'm having to do a lot of this myself, I'm actually, I mean, that's not very good, but it is really strong. Now let's take that back and we'll hit it with my hand. It's making the right noise, you know. So, any words of wisdom today? Yeah, I'm resigned to the fact that it's a really big job. It's going to take a long time, and if I want a decent finish, I'm going to have to put the hours in. But from the front, all along that bottom sill to here is done. Oh, that's the last thing. We are going to hold this in with epoxy resin. Okay? It's going to sit in there. That's why I've left this lip. So I can glue the thing in. It means I can get in the back of the panel, wax oil it, rust treat it, put in a bit of seam sealer, prime it and all that type of thing. Then it's on to the back section, the next black hole of Calcutta. So, thank you, right, see if I can get this out today. Thank you for watching today's riveting episode of Zambo TV, filmed in glorious Zambo colour, broadcast to you in Zambo vision. Hopefully now the epoxy resin is going to hold, not the epoxy resin, the epoxy glue is going to help hold in this section as well. So all I can say is stay safe, stay strong. I'll see you on the other side, and thank you very much to my 31 subscribers for watching. Right, bye.